So, to find the current in the circuit, we will solve this problem today. Given that find the current in the circuit as shown in figure, the circuit is shown in figure. Here 15 volts battery is there, zero point 0.5 resistance, that may be internal resistance 0.5 ohms, external resistance 8 ohms, 6 ohms, 10 ohms, 1 ohm, 7 ohm, 2 ohms, like this circuit is there. So always what I will tell, you come from this side. In previous problem also, we are solved like this only. We will come from right end. Like this only we have come. So similarly, you come from right end. Because battery is here, you come from right end. So first we have to find out what is the resultant resistance in the circuit. After knowing the resultant resistance, we can apply Ohm's law V is equal to IR, then we will find the I. So to find the resultant resistance, come from this side. Here what is there? 7 ohms, 1 ohm, 10 ohms. They are connected in series only. They are connected in series only. But this resultant is connected with the 6 ohms in parallel. Here end, this end to end. Connected with the 6 ohms end to end. So, this 7, 1, 10, these three connected in series. These three end is connected 6 ohms end to end. Therefore, it is parallel. That means the resultant for 7, 1, 10 is, suppose if you make this loop 1, in loop 1, what is happening? 7 ohms plus 1 ohm plus 10 ohms. That means 7 plus 1, 8 plus 10, 18 ohms is in parallel with 6 ohms. Now, for loop 1, resultant 1 by R is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 18. Because this is 6, this is 18, these two is in parallel. If you want, we can show like this. This 6 and this is like this. 7, 1, 10, I added up all the three here. These two like this. That means 18, 6 become parallel like this. Now 18 LCM, 6 3s are 18, 18 1, 4 by 18. This is 1 by R value. Therefore, R is equal to 18 by 4. That means 4 4s are 16 to 24.5 ohms is the loop 1 resultant. 4.5 ohms is the loop 1 resultant. Now you put 4.5 ohms here, so that we find out the resultant of this loop 1. That means what happens to this diagram? 15 volts to this loop 1 resultant is 4.5. This has become 4.5 and here 0.5 and 8. So the diagram become like this: 15.5 and 8. Now this is a battery, this is all series combination. That means 2 plus 4.5 plus 8 plus 0.5. The resultant resistance R dash, here R we already use it, so you can use R dash. R dash is equal to 2 plus 4.5 plus 8 plus 0.5. 4.5, 5.5, that means 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 18, 15 ohms is the total resistance of the circuit. 15 ohms, that means the total resistance of the circuit in this combination has become 15 ohms. Now what we will do? In competitive exams and all, you no need to draw this type of diagrams again and again. We have to solve the problem quickly to consume to save the time. This is 15 volts, this is 15 ohms. We have to find out the current I. V is equal to IR. Therefore 15 volts is equal to I into 15 ohms. Therefore I is equal to 1 ampere. So I is equal to 1 ampere is the current passing through this circuit. Normally, normal exams and all, we can draw so many diagrams like this to get the clear idea. In competitive exams, no need to draw all these diagrams. Speed, we can solve the loop and we will find out the answer quickly. This is the method to solve the current or any circuit problems like this. So, next we will discuss about heating effect of electric current and all. These problems and these concepts related to 10th standard only. For 12th standard and all, Wheatson bridge, Riemann Kirchhoff's laws and all will be there. That we will see in other chapters. If you have any other doubt, you can ask me. You subscribe the channel.